Look in the mirror right now. Check the skin right beneath your eyes. Is there a slight puffiness, a yellowish tint sitting under the surface? You might think you function normally on 5 hours of sleep. You show up to work, you push through the day, and you perform. But that physical exhaustion on your face is an active biological warning signal. This chart shows what happens to your primary stress hormone, cortisol, while you sleep. A healthy curve dips to its absolute lowest points at midnight, then gently rises to wake you up. At 5 hours, that curve breaks into a stubbornly elevated flatline. That high cortisol acts like a pulsing alarm, commanding your blood vessels to stay inflamed. The vascular network in your face holds fluid it was supposed to clear. The inflammation visible on your skin is the external indicator of an internal process. It is the first sign that your arterial walls are under stress and your brain's waste management system has stalled. Inside your skull, a specific repair mechanism is failing. Your brain has a dedicated cleaning network called the glymphatic system. Think of it as a deep cycle pressure washer that exclusively turns on when you are fully asleep. During deep sleep, your brain's support cells, astrocytes, literally shrink, widening the spaces between neurons by 60%. Cerebrospinal fluid then surges through those gaps, flushing out metabolic waste, including a dangerous protein called amyloid beta, the substance that accumulates in Alzheimer's. When you restrict your rest to 5 hours, you rarely reach sustained periods of deep sleep. The astrocytes fail to shrink, the channels stay tight, the pressure washer never fully runs. That amyloid beta remains trapped inside your brain tissue. Measurable amounts of this neurotoxic protein accumulate after exactly 1 night of short sleep. Your heart operates on a strict 24-hour rhythm, and it requires a specific window of downtime to repair its physical infrastructure. Between sleep hours 5 and 8, your cardiovascular system engages in a process called nocturnal dipping. Your blood pressure drops to its lowest point, relieving the mechanical pressure on your arterial walls. Waking up at hour 5 cancels that window. High blood pressure generates constant friction against your arteries, the endothelium. The smooth walls fray and roughen, becoming sticky. Circulating LDL cholesterol particles latch directly onto frayed sections, building into thick plaques. Starkly, this microscopic wear has significant consequences. People who sleep under 6 hours face a 200% increased risk of suffering a heart attack. Every night, your immune system launches a specific search and destroy mission. It scans your body for developing cancer cells before they can establish a foothold. Your body produces natural killer cells, specialized biological assassins programmed to identify and destroy mutated cells before they can multiply into tumors. This chart visualizes data from a landmark UC Berkeley study measuring your immune defense. After a single night of 6-hour sleep, the activity of your natural killer cells plummets by 70%. This nightly deficit actively disarms your body's primary defense against terminal disease. Your biology is forgiving. If you act now, the damage to your brain, heart, and immune system is reversible. Step 1 is anchoring your biological clock. You must wake up at the exact same time every day. This consistent light exposure resets your suprachiasmatic nucleus, the master clock in your hypothalamus that coordinates your body's restorative processes. Step 2 is engineering your room temperature. To initiate deep sleep, your core body temperature must drop by 1 to 2 degrees. Setting your thermostat between 65 and 68 degrees provides the environment required to trigger that cooldown. Step 3 involves blue light. Screen light suppresses melatonin production for up to 3 hours. A 90-minute digital cutoff before bed restores your hormonal timing, allowing the glymphatic system to begin its cleaning cycle. Step 4 is your physiological landing sequence. Dim all environmental lights to 10% and use 4-7-8 breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7, exhale for 8. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system and lowers your heart rate. These repairs are not optional for your long-term health. Providing these specific environmental conditions gives your body the window it needs to clear metabolic waste and repair its cardiovascular system.